It is my pleasant duty to welcome you all to this 15th annual general meeting of your company, which normally takes place in the month of January, but due to the unfortunate strike in the months of August, September, October, the audit of the accounts could not be completed till December 1975. This delayed our meeting. I am delighted that more and more shareholders are taking active interest in the working of the company, which is evident from the increasing number of shareholders attending the annual meeting year after year. Our country is at present passing through a very difficult period. In the wake of the war with Pakistan, we have been faced with severe drought affecting the food production and extremely serious power shortage affecting the industrial production. Our government is committed and very rightly committed to the twin objectives of removal of poverty and removal of unemployment. The above mentioned two calamities of drought and power have very seriously affected the progress towards the achievement of the above objectives. The cement industry is also not left unaffected, and along with other key industries like aluminium, textiles, steel, etc., is badly hit on account of the above power shortage. Even new installed capacities are laying idle, and the worst of the situation appears to be that even though a lot of and cry is raised and the seriousness of the situation is well realized, nothing very much seems to have been to improve the situation. The concentration effort required to tackle this serious problem appears to be conspicuous by its absence. Simply hoping or waiting for a better monsoon this year is not going to help. The capacity of the cement industry, which was only 1 million tons at the time of independence, has registered a remarkable increase in the last 25 years, and today we have a capacity of 19 million tons with an effective production of 15 million tons in 1975. Despite power cut, wagon shortage and all India cement workers strike, which affected the production to the tune of 500,000 tons. Stop.